In this video, we will show you how to register on DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek is one of among popular AI on the internet. How to register on the DeepSeek? Just find DeepSeek on the Google and select deepseek.com and click Start Now. In here, you need to sign up using your email address. In here, you can type your email and password. Just using regular email by Google like Gmail, you can register on DeepSeek. Because if you try to using your company email, maybe the DeepSeek not allow that. So you can try using Gmail or email by Google. Then click send code after you type the email and the password. Then you can input the code from your email. I will open my email here using my smartphone and will type the code. Okay. Then click sign up and you need to confirm the license. Never. And you can see the DeepSeek appearance is similar to ChatGPT. You can using the DeepSeek by chat in here. That's all tutorial how to register DeepSeek AI. Hope this video helpful for you.